Let's have a quick run. Before that, we can find in our queue that we have with us called grade queue. Let's see how many items are left in it with new status. There are two things left with us. Okay, okay. Before that, try to publish your package to the orchestrator. Click on publish. So it was sent to it. The version is 1.0.2. Go back to this and to the processes. If you just go back to the packages, right, you will be able to see that particular package available to you. See, GMS Performer. You can see it was pushed a few seconds back and it's inactive. Move ahead to the processes and start, because we have a package and we have an environment. As we have already discussed, environment is nothing but a group of robots. So going back to the process, let's create a combination of those. Here it's performer and the environment is this, and then create. So this is available to us right now. If I just go to the robot tray, this should be available to me. GMS performer, my environment. Okay, with that, instead of running it from the studio, I will run it from this particular thing. Let's click on play. As you can see, it has just closed this particular already existing instance of desktop application, and it is trying to fetch the information. This time it's Vaishnavi. Okay, so now by now it should have sent the details of the first student, and this is the second student. So now it must be trying to send details of the second, and it's done. As you can see, it's done. Okay, run last less than a minute ago. If you can see, it was trying to launch an application and it has killed the application, because in the end process, which is a place where which will be executed when we are trying to end the process, here I have used kill process. As we have already implemented in kill process, I have just pass the value of that particular application, so that once we are done with the application, will be killing it. Let me go back to this email, and you can see there are two emails that have just come up. Okay, one is Saraswati, the other one is Vaishnavi. So this is how we were able to automate the grade management system process successfully.